So what is it that makes fearless agents make so much more money than non-fearless agent coaching students? Well, part of it is the mindset. We don't think like other agents do. So I want you to write this down. I don't care what people think. I don't care what people say. I don't care what people do. That's their business, okay? What is my business? My business as a fearless agent is I care what I think. I care what I say, and I care what I do. And what I do is treat customers the way you would want to be, live by the golden rule, basically. But sometimes you do a fantastic job and the customer is not nice, they're not sane, they're not smart. That's true, okay? So I have a little sign on my wall that says, it is not my job to make crazy people sane. It is not my job to make stupid people smart. It is not my job to make mean people nice. It is my job to find nice, sane, and smart people and do business with them. But at the end of the day, I have to control me. I can't control them. So you're going to have a better outcome if you learn 5 presentations that all fearless agents learn. You learn a listing presentation, a pricing presentation for sale by owner, buyer, and investor, and then you learn the words to say on the phone or face-to-face to get yourself into enough of those situations to make any amount of money you want. But you got to have the fearless agent mindset. If any of this stuff makes sense to you, by the way, you can give me a call anytime at 480-385-8810, and we'll just do a complimentary coaching call. I'll be nice and sane and smart. Well, hopefully you will be too. But if that works out, we end up perhaps doing business together. I will not be closing you at the end of that call. I will be finding out if what we do and what you're trying to do in your career, if it's a good fit. If it is, you're going to get rich. If it's not, we'll admit that. But either way, let's see if we can make you a fearless agent. Thanks.